Hello, and this is Laval Delta handle with all metal body. You can see over here, this all the components are of metal, even the fixing detail is in metal, and the fixing is unlike in Agile. It is the grub screw is tilt over here. You can see here the fixing is front, not tilt one. This is the fixing cap. After fixing the nib in this pocket, you just need to close this. Fantastic handle. There is no ball bearing over here to make the smoother function. Hope this will gel, marketing team. Hope this will gel your customer base in your region. Thank you.